Race Rover Evoque complained hard starting. After lying for an hour, occurred hard starting. So I did fuel pressure test. Unfortunately, but it doesn't hold the pressure. Then I was recommended to pull down fuel tank and have an inspection for possible fuel leak. I am going to do a fuel pressure test leak where it was by applying a compressed air. The fuel filter housing has been removed for fuel leak test. I am applying a compressed air to find out where the fuel leak is. Because of a very tiny small crack, unable to find out the fuel leak. I use a soap with water and spray into the suspected tiny small crack. Without soap and water, it is very difficult to identify where the fuel leak is. In unholding the fuel pressure after several hours, it creates hard starting or long cranking of the engine. Air bubbles is continuously increasing, means it has a big leak, which was the cause of hard starting. As you can see, the oil and new fuel filter. Fuel tank is divided into two parts, the left portion and the right portion of the fuel tank. Removal of fuel tank, propeller shaft, and exhaust system is a must in order to give way for the repair of pulling down the fuel tank. Installation of fuel tank has been done. It has an access to remove the fuel filter, but I recommended to pull down the fuel tank to ensure proper test of fuel leakage. It took a lot of time for removal and installation of the fuel tank. It will be returned in reverse installation such as propeller shaft assembly, exhaust system, underneath cover, heat shield, etc. Fuel tank is made of thick hard plastic. Scientific engineers designed this in avoidance of explosion, unlike before, instead of metal. Metal creates sparking if something hit the ground. Job completion has been done. Vehicle is ready for releasing. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is the actual video footage of fuel pressure test. Some of my colleagues behind me, because they are eager to know it, where was the fuel leak came up, and they said to gain more experience while I'm working with them. Fuel leakage has a very light sign of plastic crack, but unable to see it. Apart from that, leakage can be seen in a hidden hollow holes.